A very good afternoon and warm greetings to the faculty, staff, and students of the Institute. I extend my best wishes and hearty congratulations on the occasion of the annual day celebrations. It is sad that we are unable to celebrate this day physically at the Institute, but I am happy that we are virtually meeting to give away awards to outstanding students. I congratulate all the awardees and wish the rest the very best. Meeting virtually is now the new normal. Virtual classes are the new normal, and virtual day celebrations too are the new normal. We were initially disoriented, but all of us have now adopted to the challenges posed by the pandemic, and I would like to appreciate the students who have not only adjusted to virtual classes but have utilized their free time in creating many YouTube videos on various cuisines from their home kitchens. The Institute of Hotel Management Bhubaneswar is a prestigious institute under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and is ranked among the top 10 institutes in the country. Several of its alumni have really made it big in the hospitality industry. I'm sure many of you would follow their trailblazing path. I'm happy to note that some students have been selected for the Dubai Expo 2021, which is a great start in these challenging times. We all know that the tourism sector has been badly hit, and hotels being an important part, recruitments will definitely be an area of concern for all of you. But I'm sure the institute will try its best to see that the students get good placements. We in the government are also trying to work with the industry to ensure its revival. Efforts are being made to promote domestic tourism. There is a realization among all stakeholders in the tourism and hospitality sector about promoting sustainable and responsible tourism. Odisha is already one step ahead on this path, so I'm sure we will bounce back soon. We had launched the Odisha by Road campaign last year, which yielded fantastic results. So also the Eco Retreat, Eastern India's pioneering glamping initiative. We are now focusing on providing immersive and niche experience to tourists and visitors to the state. Though there is a threat of the third wave, but with all COVID protocols and vaccination, we are confident of seeing a growth in domestic tourism. I am sure you will all gain from the revival of the industry and will become job creators or find suitable jobs and make your institute proud. I wish the principal, faculty, staff and students all the very best for their future. Thank you.
Namaste, good evening to all my dear friends at IHM Bhubaneswar, respected principal ma'am and all the dear faculty. It's so nice to be at least invited to be a part of the annual day celebration on 14th of July 2021 of my own institution, IHM Bhubaneswar. I'm grateful that I have an opportunity to address all of you. As you know, the industry and all of us are going through pretty difficult times because of the COVID and the downfall of the economy and whatever impact it has on our business. But having said that, at Indian Hotels Company Limited, we firmly believe that things will come back to its normal over a period of time. This is not the time when we should all get disappointed or we should all become pessimistic. Rather, as the saying goes, when things get tough, the tough get going. We are an industry that has always known to be both human and resilient. We are an industry that is creative enough to reinvent itself, as we have done at Indian Hotels Company, as well as many such bright examples with different brands, individual hotels, hospitality ventures all over the world. At Indian Hotels Company Limited, we are, as you can see, we are opening new properties. We are not giving up on our long-term goals to overcome any shortcomings or the short-term local scenarios. Bhubaneswar, my favorite city, my hometown, is where I'm having the opportunity to open Vivanta Bhubaneswar, which is a very smart new generation 136 rooms hotel with 20,000 square feet of banqueting space. It is supposed to be one of the largest and the smartest hotels in the city. We will look forward to our continued association and support from IHM Bhubaneswar. We would like to work along with Ministry of Tourism, the state government, our promoters and the IHM in bringing up Bhubaneswar and Odisha tourism as well as the destination up to next level. We are engaging with some of the passing out students of IHM to keep them engaged as well as to have a mutually beneficial association with the hotel, and we continue to look forward for many more engagements like this in the future. Stay happy, stay safe, stay strong, and all the very best to all.